up, YouTube? This is Justin with Kicking It with the Car Family, Simple Living. Today's video, we're going to go on a rock hunt. I have three awesome kids back here. I have Hudson. What's up, Hudson? I have Taylor. What's up, Taylor? And I have Hunter. What up, Hunter? Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and head out to the Apache Junction area, deep towards Goldfield, and take a look at the Superstition Mountains, hit some trails up out there, and hopefully we find some really cool rocks. Stay tuned. Finally made it. This is where we came. Got the crazy kids right here. And we're gonna head down the trail, look for some rocks. We made it to the end of the concrete path. Here's our trail. We're gonna go ahead and start looking for some rocks. Got some really cool trees around here. Got some old wood there. We got some cactuses. Supposedly this was an old volcano by the Superstition Mountains, and hopefully we can find some cool rocks that have volcano ash or signs of it. So let's take a look. You guys can see it, but within this rock here, again, supposedly this is a place where a volcano erupted and left a bunch of ash. And if you get real close up on it, you can see the difference. The regular rock, the rock, and then just layers of the ash. See this? It's not sand, it's actual ash. So it's pretty unique to see see, look at that, the layers of ash that are still here after years and years and years. So pretty unique. So hopefully we can find some more cool stuff.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, there was a volcano that erupted, and it sent out a bunch of ash, and all the ash settled right around here. So if you look right here, we've got some more ash that's in here. You see that, guys? This is old ash that's stuck here. Let's get some a rock and dig it up a little bit so you guys can see that. See the different color, the white in it? It's layers and layers that are still in this rock. So hopefully we can get some better stuff here. We've got some really cool rocks here. See the different styles. What you got?
Rock.
A rock, another one. Let me see that rock. Wow, we got some beautiful flagstone rocks here in Arizona. Cool to make some chimneys when we go off grid, or if someone were to go off grid here, nice triangle piece. Can make some fireplaces and walls and all kinds of stuff like that. So let's go ahead and take a look.
I found one. Okay.
Come on over here,
I
Hudson.
found one.
You did. Some more flagstones. That's awesome, man. Let's take a look down here.
This one.
What do you got, Hunter?
I found one.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright, let's unbury this one. Look at this. Let's lift this up. Now see, That is almost like that is like the texture of lava rock here in Arizona. We've got this flat rock. Awesome rocks, man. Let's go find some more, guys.
Okay.
You got another one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go find some more. There you go, buddy. What's wrong? Don't be scared. Just got to walk through it. There's no cactuses. You got it, bud. Go ahead, Hudson. Show them how it's done. Walk right through it, buddy. Yeah. All right. Yes, buddy. I am crazy. Look at that. Look at that giant lava right there. Used to be lava, yes. That you could tell the difference in it. Has kind of a red tint in some areas. That is awesome. It was lava. Look at that. We got a nice white rock right here. Look at that. I bet that was a layer of ash that's compacted over time. That is just awesome right there. What do you got, bud? A piece of rock.
Yeah.
Another flagstone. You love these flagstones, huh?
Wait, Thanos stone.
What do you got over there, Taylor?
Wait, Thanos stone.
Take a look at that. That is another piece of lava rock. That is awesome, guys. Let's keep walking.
Just stand right.
You guys show me the way. You guys are the navigators. Hudson, go show me the way, buddy. Let's get to walking. Watch yourself. Watch cactuses. Don't touch any bushes.
Yeah.
Hunter, this is where we test your skills out, buddy. I'm right here for you. That is lava. I'm right here for you, Hudson. Show your brother.
Walk.
All right. Show Hudson. Show us how you do it. Walk over those lava rocks there. Yeah. Let's see how you do it, bud. Let's toughen you guys up a little bit and get to walking. Wow, that's awesome. Look at those layers there.
Cool.
Guys, look for rocks. What kind of rock do you have there, Hudson? Let me see it. Put it for the camera right there. Is that a huge one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a nice flagstone piece looking like. I like that. What kind of rock do you have, Hunter? That's a pretty cool rock, man. Let's try to find some really cool, colorful rocks, okay? Here's part of the trail. Got cactuses everywhere. It's Arizona. Got this little man, Taylor, Hunter. We're gonna try to maneuver down this little rock area here. Here, Hudson, give me your hand, buddy. Let's take some walks down here, buds. Whoa. Let's see you. All right, cool. Look at that big old volcano rock. Never thought there'd be a volcano in Arizona, huh? Those are some cool rocks.
I get lava.
Hudson, are we gonna find some cool rocks, bud? What you got there? Good job getting through this. We have huge collections of rocks already. Two rocks, awesome. All right, let's get to walking down over here. I see some water. A little bit of water down there. Wow, looks like it might have rained down over here. Let's take a look at that. Come on, Hudson. Look at that. Some nice water down here. Looks like we might have some horse tracks around here. Yes, buddy. All right, Hudson.
Careful.
Taylor's way down there already, huh? Speedy Gonzalez. Wait up for your brothers. Wow, look how... Wow, you gotta watch yourself. That's another piece of flagstone. Wow, look at this rock right here, guys. That's awesome. What do you got? Oh, cool, man. You can make like a spearhead out of that. That is sweet. Here's your rock. All right, let's look for some more stuff. This is fun. You found where?
No.
Watch out for cactuses.
Yeah.
Right, Hudson, Hunter, walk. You got it, bud. Awesome, dude. All right, Hudson. YouTubers for coming along on our journey, our amazing rock hunt. Please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button for us. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.